On our way to our appointment today, we're walking through a venue for a wedding in December, but we're right around the corner of our wedding venue where we got married, so we're literally rushing, and
we have like 4 minutes.
We have 4 extra minutes, so here we go. Okay guys, we're at a venue. Look at how cute. It's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine. And say hello.
Hi.
And we just did a walkthrough, and look at these garage doors, they're so pretty. I love them. But we just did a walkthrough, and now we're going home. Well, actually, we're gonna go have a picnic, right?
Yeah, we are. A very special picnic.
Very special picnic.
This is where it happened, babes.
So sweet.
Right over there. Can we go look at the arch? This looks good. They just got the landscaping done. Look, they're doing it right now.
Guys, I walked all of this. Literally, the longest. How long do you think this is?
I don't know, like 150 yards.
It's so long. I met my dad actually at that hedge wall. I met him right there. And then he walked me down to Tyler Travel Loop. All the way down here. We're gonna have a picnic, guys, under this tree. We actually had our reception here, all on this lawn. That's where the house is. That's where we got married. And we had a little ice cream bar under this tree that day, so we're gonna have some shade and eat.
Nice. This is where we had our reception on our wedding. Did you already say that?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, now you know. This is Stella's doggy blanket.
Doggy blanket, yeah, very romantic.
Dun, 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 dun.
This is the good life.
Alright, now we're at Home Depot with a very, very obnoxious cart. Very loud. For tomorrow's self soup. So I did some pots on Instagram Live. Excuse the really loud cart. I'm yelling probably in your ear. And now we got some shelves. Let's get home, please. We're here. How late are we today?
1 hour.
Always. I just feel like loading our seating chart wall just takes always much longer than we anticipate.
Things broke this morning.
Oh yeah, things broke this morning.
The trailer company didn't have an enclosed one.
Yeah, so we're here at the Lexmore.
I said bad words this morning.
Oh, well, Tyler cussed like a 6-year-old learning how to speak this morning. It was bad. But we're here. And it's gonna be beautiful, and it's gonna be pretty chill, I feel like, right?
Yeah.
But look at how pretty this place is. Alright, so let's do it. How you doing? So excuse the really dirty screen, but we thought it might be easier to map out the wall that we're doing right here on my computer. So we do all the math here so that I know how many inches to tell Tyler to put it in. So the first one is 13 inches high, well 13.75 high. But this way it's so much easier, guys. Yeah, that's good. Yep. Take the off.
Take that off?
Uh-huh. Careful with the E.
Why didn't we just do it this way to begin?
The T needs to come up. The E needs to go down. Right there.
Good?
Yep.
In the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Gonna be a stout shoe if something didn't go wrong. So let me show you. Because I didn't sand these because I got lazy, the paint is peeling off. So I'm gonna have to retouch it.